In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a draft order in the Shopify Help Center. If you're managing your own Shopify store, you'll find draft orders incredibly helpful. They allow you to manually create orders for your customers and send invoices through Shopify to capture payments. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Shopify and log into your account. Once you're logged in, let's head over to the admin panel on the left side of your screen. You'll want to look for the Orders section in the menu. This is where you manage all of your customer orders, including the draft ones we're going to create today. Click on Orders, and you'll see an overview of all the placed orders. Here, you'll also find the Draft Orders tab, which is located right at the top. Click on Create Order next to the Draft Orders heading to get started. Now, let's start setting up your draft order. This screen may look familiar because it shares some similarities with the checkout process. You'll see a button where you can add the products you want to include in this draft order. Click Add Products, and you'll be presented with a list of all the items available in your store. Choose the products your customer would like, and you can add them one by one. It's helpful to note that you can adjust quantities here to match exactly what your customer wants. After adding the products, take a second to double-check that everything is correct before moving on. Next up is adding a customer to the draft order. To do this, click Browse under the Customer section. Here, you can either select an existing customer from your database or create a new customer profile if they're not already listed. Adding this information allows you to manage communication and invoices through Shopify easily. Don't forget to fill in their email address and any additional details that will be necessary for invoicing. Once you have your products and customer information set, it's time to review and apply any discounts or shipping charges. On the right side of the screen, there's an option to apply discounts to specific products or the order as a whole. Make sure to input these accurately to avoid any confusion later. Similarly, select the shipping method applicable to this order from the drop-down menu. Doing so ensures that the draft order's pricing reflects any shipping fees correctly. Finally, it's time to save and review your draft order. Look over all the details to ensure everything is spot on. Once you're satisfied, you can either save the draft order for later or send an invoice directly to your customer. If you choose to send an invoice, your customer will receive an email prompting them to complete their purchase. That's it. You've successfully created a draft order in Shopify. This method is efficient for manually handling custom orders and maintaining records. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials for other handy Shopify features.